Hello. Do you prioritize your health and well-being? It's unfortunate, but when we have our health, we often don't appreciate it enough. It makes us think when someone we love or work with becomes really sick or passes away, or when we have to go to the doctor or in a hospital. Truth is that your choices today will impact your well-being tomorrow. If you don't move, make unhealthy food choices, drink too much alcohol, smoke, don't have enough sleep, and don't know how to cope with stress, you will pay a high price. Chronic diseases develop over decades, but it's never too late to work towards a new me. Here are 3 tips on how to get started. Sleep. Prioritize your sleep. Develop a bedtime routine and stick to it. Ideally, you want to aim for about 7 hours per night. If you are mentally tired, it may affect your sleep in a negative way. Stop watching the news late at night and be more active. If you improve your sleep hygiene, it will also help you with anxiety and stress. Nutrition. You are what you eat. Make time for a proper lunch break and be mindful when you eat, how fast you eat, and what you eat. Prepare your lunch at home and make sure to eat whole food. Avoid eating at your desk. Stress. We cannot avoid stress, but what if you would only focus on the things that are within your control and that you can do something about? I know many people are stressed about what's going on in the world, and they spend too much time in front of the TV watching the news. How about thinking about how you can contribute to make the world a better place within your work environment or in your personal life? This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.